Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So this is a video on makeup under $10 that is absolutely amazing. This is stuff that I either purchased or have multiple colors of, and it's just phenomenal, really good quality, under $10, really good stuff that I would highly recommend if you are a drugstore makeup junkie or just anybody who wants really good makeup but you don't want to break the bank. So we'll just jump right into the video. First off are these amazing eyeshadow quads. So these are from e.l.f. These are the bite-sized quads. I have Pumpkin Pie and I Love You Latte. These are more neutral palettes, which is perfect because that's really what I reach for most of the time. And these are so good. I have several tutorials using these and they're just like amazing. They're $3. They're really good. I love them. I love the kind of shades that they pick out. They have all these different colored ones. They're just so good and they're $3, so it's so easy to buy like 5 or 6 of them. You can create so many looks. I only own 2. I want to own more, but like I have so much makeup as it is, but these are amazing. They're super travel friendly. Love them. Really great quality. e.l.f. really like blew it out of the park with this because these are amazing and I highly recommend these eyeshadow quads. Once again, $3. So next is this Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is Be My Highlight. This is such a good drugstore like highlighter that's almost like has high-end feel. It is phenomenal. A lot of people rave about this for very good reasons. It is just a phenomenal, perfect champagne highlight. Like it's beautiful. I use this when I'm fair. I use it when I'm tan. It's just so good and it's so pretty and I love it. And this is about, I want to say like $5.99. So affordable. Maybe it's like $4.99. But Essence, again, Essence is it's made in Poland. This is like a German brand, European brand. And it says made in Poland. Be My Highlight. Such a good quality drugstore product. Essence also has really good products for how extremely affordable they are. It's totally worth adding to your collection and it's only $5 or $6. Next, this is no surprise. It's Milani Luminoso. This is probably like $8.99, $7.99, $6.99, depends where you're at. And it's a beautiful coral, shimmery, beautiful blush. And this blush has, like, everybody knows this blush and it's such good quality. It's shimmery, it's corally, it's perfect. You can wear it in spring, summer, and you can like top off some wabi blushes with this in the fall. It is so good. This is my second one. I used up my entire first one. It took me a couple years, but I'm telling you, like even their other shades in this are really good. I have so much makeup and I really do want to repurchase like all the different shades they have. But Milani Luminoso, very well known, very good, high quality. I'm telling you, if you don't own this and everyone talks about it, you need it. Like it's so affordable. Sometimes it's like sold out still because it's just that good. But beautiful, perfect, affordable blush. Milani Luminoso. Next, this is a e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I put this under my eyes. It is amazing. It has this like luminosity to it and it just, it makes my under eyes look so good. And I have the pink shade, but I've also used the light shade. I have been through probably 4 or 5 of these. They're $8. So good. For a while, they've been sold out at Target. So good. I don't know, it's amazing. Like you need this in your collection. It's $8. e.l.f. Halo Glow, one of my go-to under eye setting powders. And this is the light pink shade, and what's really trending right now is putting the light pink underneath your eyes. That's what Kylie Jenner's makeup artist does. It's really trendy on TikTok right now, and this has a pink hint to it, like a pink hue, and it's shimmery and luminescent, and just put it underneath your under eye, and it's just like the perfect under eye setting powder. So e.l.f. Halo Glow, they also have light and I think like a tanner shade and then the pink shade, and I don't think they have like a banana shade. They should though. They really should. But $8 and you can get this at Target, you know, where they sell e.l.f. But highly recommend this under eye setting powder. Next I have these Milani setting sprays. I used up this entire Milani Make It Last setting spray. And I have this other one. It depends where you are how much this is. It can be $11.99, it can be $9.99, $10.99. So I'm gonna throw it in the under $10 video, even though it might be $1 or $2 over $10. But it's a really good setting spray. I love it. I love the sprayer because it's like I don't know. It's not gonna like drench your face, and it's just a really good sprayer, a really good setting spray. There's not really a scent to it or anything. It's super travel friendly and I love it. It makes my makeup last. It's just a really, really good setting spray. And it's either $10 or just above $10. Highly recommend this. Really good setting spray. This one actually lasts you for a long time. And highly recommend the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Next, for affordable concealers. So a really good affordable concealer is the e.l.f. Creamy Camo. It's a really good concealer. I prefer Tarte Shape Tape. Like, I am a Tarte Shape Tape obsessed person. It's just like a concealer I'm always going to use. But I also bought this Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer, and it's pretty good. It's a very thin formula. It's $5. And so I tried this one because I forgot to pack a concealer on a trip. And I was just really surprised how good it is. And I like still use it over here and there. But it is like $5.99. Can be $4.99. It depends where you're shopping. But it's a really, really good, affordable, under $10 drugstore concealer. Same with the e.l.f. Camo, Creamy Camo. As you can tell, I have used a lot of this concealer. And this one is one of those where it's like, you can't see how much product is left. But these are really good concealers under $10. I am a Tarte Shape Tape person, but these two, I feel like I know if I need a good drugstore concealer, I can rely on these. The other one would be Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. That's one I used for like ever until I was dabbling with the Tarte Shape Tape. But that's a really good one as well. The Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. So, another Milani product. So I was in a wedding. I was a bridesmaid. And the makeup artist put this lip gloss on my lips. It is called Soft Rose. And it is just the prettiest bridal pink lip gloss ever. It's like plumping. It's not sticky. It's a little sticky, but it doesn't bother me. It's not crazy sticky. Actually, I shouldn't say it's sticky because, I don't know. It's a tad bit sticky, I would say that. But what is this gloss? And she told me, and I was just so surprised. And she said it's like one of her go-to for weddings and for brides and bridesmaids. It's like the perfect rose color, soft rose, keep it plump. This shade, actually, they don't really sell in stores. I had to get this on Amazon. But it is a really good lip gloss. And I think for under $10, it's plumping, it's pigmented, it's shiny. I guess it's somewhat sticky, but it really doesn't bother me because it's super long lasting and pigmented. But when I put my lips together and separate them, there is a bit of stickiness. Some people like that, some people don't. But really good, pretty, amazing gloss. I know there's other popular colors with this, like there's like the champagne color and one other nude color that are really popular, but Soft Rose I feel like doesn't get any hype, and it's not in the store sometimes, and I don't know why, because I was looking for this for a really long time and eventually just ordered online. Yeah, so Milani lip gloss is called the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Soft Rose 08. So next is another e.l.f. product. This is the Always Cheeky blush. It is a beautiful matte coral blush. I love this blush. It's the perfect blush to mix with like a shimmery blush, to mix with any blush. I love mixing blushes, but this also in itself is amazing. It's actually my go-to everyday blush. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And I love this blush. And it's super pigmented, super blendable. It's matte. Some people don't want the shimmer if you have like texture or something on your cheeks. It's a matte blush, super pigmented, long lasting, and it's drugstore, it's e.l.f. And I'm just like, this blush is amazing. I've actually found this from another YouTuber. It was like some random video, best drugstore products, and I was like, I just want to try some stuff out. And so I went and I tried this out and I was like shocked. I was like, wow, this girl really knew what she was talking about, because this e.l.f. Always Cheeky blush is amazing. There's like another shade, it's a rosy shade. And I want to say this was only $6. Yeah, $6, and this blush is amazing. Highly recommend Always Cheeky by e.l.f. So my favorite drugstore foundation is Catrice. It's this one. This is my favorite drugstore foundation, Catrice 4-hour long lasting. Love this one, but that is way more than $10. It's like $12, $11.99, not way more, but you know, it's not $10. But the e.l.f. Fit Me Matte and Poreless, so good. I love this one. It's only like $5.99, maybe $7.99, depends where you're at. But it's so good. I own so many shades. It's so good with my oily skin. It's long lasting. It's matte. There's so many shades. And it's just such a good foundation. I have a whole video about my top 3 favorite drugstore foundations, and this is in it. It's so good. I've been using it for many years. Yeah, and it's under $10, and it's a really, really good product. And I love this. And I love it, and it's one of my favorite drugstore foundations. Highly recommend it. Super great foundation under $10. So next is a primer. This is a primer I just started using. It is the Impossible Primer by Wet n Wild, silicone free. Holy cow. It's silicone free and it blends into like a clear nothing. It's like, I'm just gonna try it out and see what it's like. And as soon as I tested it on my hand, I was like, okay, it seems pretty nice. And then I put it on my face. I was like, oh yeah, this is a perfect priming base. Like, this is a really great primer. And then I put my foundation on it and it looked amazing, long lasting. And then I've just been using it for about a couple weeks now and I am obsessed. Obsessed. This is such a good primer. Impossible Primer Base by Wet n Wild. Amazing. Primer Base by Wet n Wild. This is amazing. I love it. It's amazing. Again, if you're looking for a really super affordable, amazing drugstore primer, Wet n Wild Impossible Primer is amazing and you will love it. And it says on the back, it's mattifying, hydrating, and possibly silicone free. It preps skin for long lasting makeup, blurs pores. All of it true. Great primer. So I highly recommend you check it out. You would be very surprised and pleased with how good this product is. In a lot of my eyeshadow tutorials, I use the LA Ultimate eyeliner. This is in the shade Super Bright. I've actually had this for a really long time and I just love it for the waterline. It's new. It brightens up my waterline. It lasts. It's amazing and I love it. This is a really good waterline eyeliner in the shade Nude. This is the only one I own and it's just the LA Ultimate Eyeliner Intense Stay Auto Eyeliner in the shade Super Bright. It's really good for brightening up your eye looks, making your eyes look bigger. And it's just perfect and it goes right in your waterline and it's super long lasting, so I highly recommend this LA Girl eyeliner. Next are these LA Girl lip liners. These are the Shockwave LA Girl lip liners. They're amazing. I own 2 more but I can't find them right now. And they are blendable, pigmented, smooth, they sharpen, they're everything you ever want. They're perfect eyeliners. As you can clearly tell, I mean lip liners, eyeliners, lip liners. As you can tell, the ones I use the most. I mean, this one, it did come out of the pencil, but I do put these in my purse a lot and shake them, you know, like when they're in your purse and they shake, so that's probably what happened there. But the other 2 aren't like that. They're just really good lip liners. You really need to check them out. I have the shade Sandstorm, Kuwait, maybe, and Karma. Actually, I haven't even opened up Karma. Karma is the one I bought because I was like, if I'm feeling like a pop of color, a bold lip, a berry lip, I need a good eyeliner. The other lip liner I have by them is Gingerbread. It's in my purse, is my #1 go-to favorite. That's the first one I bought. I was obsessed. It's my favorite shade. Gingerbread is in my purse. I don't want to get it right now. My dog's whining. But that is the best shade. And you can't get that one at Ulta. You have to get like on Amazon or the LA Girl website. But you can try out all their shades because they're really good. I have multiple and I love them. So next I have a really good matte bronzer. This is the Maybelline City Bronzer. This is in the shade 100 and I have Pan. I think that's what's so important about a bronzer is the blendability to blend into your blush, blend into your foundation. Just blend into your face. Like, you don't want any harsh, dark, brown, patchy, dirty looking bronzers. You want something to bronze your face. And this Maybelline City Bronzer is buttery smooth. It's amazing, super blendable, and this one's a little bit orangey tone. This is what I used when I was fair. They have a darker shade that I really want to try, but Maybelline really killed it with this City Bronzer. And I want to say this was about $9.99. Super affordable, amazing drugstore under $10 bronzer. So the other lip liners I have, I forgot to mention, are the NYX lip liners. This is just their lip liner crayons. They come like this with the black lids and the ends here. I own multiple of these. These are also really, really good. I have the shades Sandstorm, Natural, and Mauve. They are really, really good. Amazing. I mean, they're on TikTok. They're everywhere because they're so good. But I highly recommend them, and they're super affordable, and they're under $10 when you can own multiple shades because they're so affordable and they're so good. Highly recommend them. And last but not least is like lashes. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I'm going to dedicate a full video to this because this mascara is amazing. It is better than the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It is just so good. It just makes your lashes long, voluminous, perfect, amazing. This mascara is so good. It was super hyped up on TikTok and I was like, I mean, is it that good? I don't know. Just, is it that good? And it is. It is amazing and I highly recommend it. And it's probably, I think it's like $8.99, $9.99, but it is so good. This one's almost done. I've had it for a really long time. It's lasted a really long time and it's worked really well when it was like dryish. It worked well when it was wet, worked well when it was dryish. It's just like super good mascara. I love it. It's what I'm wearing my lashes right now. I don't have any false lashes on. And I love it. I do my mascara so fast. And my favorite drugstore mascara right now is this one. I really like the Essence Princess one as well. But this one by Maybelline, Sky High Lash Mascara, is really, really good. Alright guys, that completes my video of my favorite makeup and products that are just so amazing that are under $10. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment. Liking and commenting really helps out with the algorithm. And just be sure to subscribe because I love makeup. I love all things makeup that my channel is all about. So if you like tutorials and if you like makeup, be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.